Akiaria kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu, Minista wa Githomo George Magoha niacugite muhera ni undu wa kuhithukira aciari thutha wa gwathana thukuru kuhingwo hinahi kiambiriria-ini gia kiumia giki.
I know that people are very unhappy that the schools were closed abruptly. Let me apologize on behalf of government.
Ateteira ikinya riri, Magoha augite no muhaka mangiraheire kamitii ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ihinda riria riagiriire kuhariria thukuru ciothe iria irahuthika ta ceceni cia uikia wa kura.
The Electoral Commission must be given whatever they want, whenever they want, in order to be able to carry out a free, fair and justifiable election. So the small pain that I have caused you, I take full responsibility because I'm the one who was supposed to say it. I think the swords you have sent on me are now enough.
Magoha ekwaragia o hindi ya kuruguria waki wa irathi cia CBC thukuru-ini wa Umoja mwena wa Eldoret.
We have children. Children don't have political parties. Children don't vote. Children are just children. And why my task is very difficult is to ensure that as we approach the transition, which unfortunately is coming at the end of the year, we must be prepared.
Hindi ya ishera kaunti-ini ya Nandi, Magoha oho niahingurire library ya Eliud Kipchoge.
The president has authorized that the balance of 15 million, because it was he had given Kipchoge 100 million Kenya shilling, the balance of 15 million shillings should be used to extend the fence and to build 10 classrooms.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Waduro.